In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest for YouTube keyword research. First, open your browser and search for the Chrome Web Store. When you land on the store, use the search box to look up the Ubersuggest extension. Click Add to Chrome and confirm any prompts that appear. The extension installs in a moment, and once it's active, it will enhance your keyword research directly inside YouTube's search bar. Next, head over to youtube.com. In the search bar, start typing a topic you're considering for a video. Think broad themes like budget travel, home workouts, or vegan desserts. As you type, keep an eye on the autocomplete suggestions that drop down. The Ubersuggest extension will display monthly search volume and CPC, or cost per click, right next to those suggestions. Volume tells you how often people search for a phrase. CPC gives you a sense of advertiser interest and potential monetization. Use this quick view to compare variations and spot ideas with healthy demand. If needed, tweak your wording or try a few related phrases to see how the numbers shift and to surface additional angles. Now open a new tab and search for Ubersuggest to reach the official site. Click Sign In. Once you're in, choose AI Keyword Overview to go deeper than the basic suggestions. Enter a broad seed keyword that captures your niche at a high level, something like home coffee brewing or photo editing. This tells Ubersuggest where to start and helps it generate a wide range of related terms. After your results load, switch to the Questions tab. You'll see phrases that begin with how, why, and what. These are gold for educational YouTube content because they map directly to viewer intent and make strong, click-worthy titles that promise clear outcomes. To zero in on easier wins, apply the SEO difficulty filter and set it from 0 to 35. Lower difficulty usually indicates less competition in search, and that often translates to better chances of ranking on YouTube too. Balance difficulty with the search volume you observed earlier, so you're targeting terms that are both discoverable and realistic for your channel. Once you've identified your target keywords, keep them handy and optimize your upcoming video around one primary phrase. Consistency between your title, description, and on-screen content helps the algorithm confidently understand your topic and surface your video to the right viewers. That's it. You installed the extension, validated ideas on YouTube, and expanded your research with Ubersuggest. Use this workflow each time you plan a video to build a steady pipeline of topics with proven demand and achievable competition.